to the Snow Globe, formerly known as TD Place Stadium, for what will surely be a Canadian Premier League final that we will never forget.
To the goalkeeper's right.
I didn't bring snowshoes.
That's disappointing.
It's a rookie mistake. So no.
Thirdly, your position.
Well, it's 1-0 to Cavalry. Shea trying to cross. Anyone's to claim in the air. Bicycle! Oh my golazo! The most incredible goal in CPL history!